All right, we're back on the XS650 1975 model. I wanted to improve the brightness of the tail light and the turn signals, so I ordered some LED bulbs. And I started first off on the turn signals, replaced the bulbs, wouldn't work. So I thought, well, what the heck? So I had to go online and do some reading, and I discovered that the bulbs, the LED bulbs that I bought, basically do not draw enough amperage to allow the flasher unit to work. So here's the old flasher unit, if you can see this, and I discovered that it basically works off heat. So the amperage draw of the filament bulbs produce, how can I say, create heat on a strip of metal or a wire within the flasher, which allows it to, or causes it to bend, and then breaks the contact. And then as soon as it breaks the contact, of course, there's no more current going through, and so therefore it cools, and it cools rapidly, and then when it hits the contact again, it heats up. So that's how you get the intermittent flasher. So that does not happen with LED. So this is located directly underneath the tank, in this orientation right here. So to get to it, you got to pull the tank, which is no big thing. And the flasher, or the new LED flasher units that I bought were off of Amazon. Pretty cheap. I think they're around the $12 range, and I got two pieces, or two units, and they even sent some spade connectors with it. So what I had to do, of course, was cut off the wires from the old connector, and then, just to make sure I didn't screw it up, I connected them one at a time. There's markings on the LED flasher which match up with the markings off the old one. So you got E, B, and L, and you got E, B, and L. They're just in a different location though, so you cannot use the old connector. So cut them off one at a time, put some heat shrink on there, crimp the spade connectors on, tighten up the heat gun, and you're good to go. And it also has a switch on it where you can adjust the speed of the flashers. So turning it on, and here. So if you want to speed it up, you would just turn the knob. Okay, there's going slow. Speeding up. Going back to slow. I like that speed about right there. So these are pretty cool. I haven't put the new bulbs in yet though. I'm just getting the flasher set up. So anyone who's having the same problem, this is what you need to do. Hope it helps.